The drone world is buzzing once again, and all eyes are on DJI's next big release, the DJI Neo 2. Over the past few weeks, leaks, FCC filings, and early unboxings have hinted that this ultralight drone might be landing as soon as next month. But here's the question. Is it really the upgrade we've been waiting for, or just another minor refresh wrapped in new colors and fancy words? From what we know so far, the Neo 2 could bring some serious improvements: a larger 1/1.3-inch sensor, 4K 60 frames per second video, extended 25-minute flight time, and possibly enhanced tracking and transmission range up to 10 kilometers, all while keeping its featherlight 135-gram build. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. And with an expected price between $229 and $329, DJI seems to be aiming squarely at content creators, vloggers, and travelers who want pro-level footage in their pocket. But of course, these are still leaks, nothing official yet. Will all versions get that larger sensor? How real are the battery claims? And most importantly, will the Neo 2 truly redefine what a compact drone can do in 2025? Let's break down everything we know so far, from specs and pricing to what this could mean for aerial creators worldwide. This is your first look at the DJI Neo 2, and it might just be the mini drone upgrade everyone's been waiting for. The drone world is buzzing again. Rumors, filings, prototypes, they've all converged around one name in recent weeks: the DJI Neo 2. For hobbyists, content creators, travel vloggers, and casual pilots alike, the central question is simple. Is the Neo 2 the upgrade we've been waiting for? Or is it just another refresh of a sub-250G drone cycle, dressed in new colors and buzzwords? With the next month looking likely for a launch, the leaked specifications and reported pricing warrant a close look. In this video, we'll explore what we know so far, assess the reliability of the information, examine what it means in practice, and ask whether the Neo 2 might deliver something genuinely new and valuable. Setting the stage, where the Neo line stands today. To grasp the importance of the Neo 2, it helps to rewind and look at its predecessor, the original DJI Neo. The Neo made waves thanks to its ultralight weight, around 135 g, and ease of use. A palm takeoff drone with minimal fuss, aimed at social creators and those who didn't want full-blown pro gear. It offered 4K capture, compact form factor, and DJI's familiar ecosystem. But as drone technology evolves, so do expectations. Today's creators want more: longer flight times, smarter sensors, bigger cameras, better tracking, simplified workflows, and of course reliability. Competitors in the sub-250G class are closing in. In that context, the Neo 2 becomes more than just a new version. It could represent a strategic push by DJI to keep the Neo line relevant in 2025 era aerial content creation. The leaked specifications, what we know, and what remains uncertain. Over the past several months, a variety of sources, drone news sites, FCC filings, YouTube leak videos, have surfaced what are claimed to be the full or near full specifications for the Neo 2. While none of this is fully confirmed by DJI at the time of writing, the consistency across different leaks suggests we may be looking at a credible roadmap. According to one leak, the weight around 135 g